Welcome to our project BookingBreeze. This is a hotel reservation system. In this hotel reservation management system, this is our folder structure we have used. We in the SRC folder we have all the code segments. In the DB script we have we have a database query which we can create databases, and in the Java package we have our backend. It is a part which we connect with our database, and in the controllers is a part which we connect the backend, our database part, with our frontend. And in the models part, we have all the Java classes defined, and in the utility part, we have all the sessions we have developed for user authentication. And in the resources part, we have all the CSS parts and the FXML parts. So that's our folder structure we have used, and we have used GitHub and Git for version control system. Since it's a group project, in order to manage our work and everything, we use GitHub and Git. So let's move on to our functions. First, when we run the project, we have to log in. We have a create account option which we can create an account. So here we have added all the validations necessary for user registration. In the email part, we have added that it is must to have @symbol and .com, which is a valid format of an email, and the password should be minimum of 8 characters unless they cannot sign up through our web application. And then we have a contact number and address. After sign up is successful, we can log in the website. This is a user dashboard. These are my profile, hotel reservations, feedback, sign out, and payment. When we move to the my profile part, we can have all the user profile details displayed. And when we click on the edit profile part, we can edit all our details except for email. Then we can save our profile. Then profile is updated successfully. So this is our database, which we have all the tables, and in the user part we have the latest user user we have added. Then here we have added a field called user role. They will, and the user role is default user. When an account is created, whenever it is we can give it as an user role. Another special function is we have used hash password function, which is a special feature for security purposes also. Yeah, that's it. If you want to delete our account, we have the delete option also. Alright, when we move to the hotels part, users or hotel managers can add their hotel details and search for their hotel details also. In the add hotel section, we have add hotel name, registration, address, contact number, facilities, and imaging uploading also, which is a special feature which uses blob storage in SQL. We just used an sample image just to show what happens in the function. Hotel is registered successfully, so we can view it in the hotel table as well. Here now it is updated. Yeah, that's it. When we move to the next part, can go back. Then if we want, we can search hotels also by the hotel name. Instead of user ID, we can search from the hotel name, which is also another special function. And here we can edit details. And it is saved successfully. And it is updated in the database also as location call. Next, move on to the next part. If we want to delete the hotel, we can also delete it. Here we can add an feedback and we can submit. All right. When we go back, we have next we have payment part, which we can make payments for the reservations. Here we can pick an hotel first from the here the all the hotels listed in the hotel can be viewed. Then we can add a room type and a room number and a count also. Then we have a date picker. We can add the arrival and the departure time also. It should be also in a valid date time format. Then the reservation success message is displayed. Here we can identify the reservation is updated now. Now we can go for the payment part, which we can add the payment details and everything. So that's our payment part, and we can go back and then sign out, which will log out from all the user sessions. We have different user sessions for admin and login, which we can identify who are the admin and the users. Here, after successful login, the admin dashboard is displayed. Then we can view hotel details, where we can add hotels and search hotels as we did in the user part also. Is similar to this. When we move back, we have the user reservations part, which we can view all the user reservations. We can search reservations based on the reservation ID. We have the edit and delete part. And it is updated successfully. Now it is updated in the database as well. So that's it for reservation part. Next, we have the user feedback part, which we can get all the this feedback they are inserted by the user in the After back button, we have the sign out part, which then all the sessions of user are ended. Then after we can log in again to the system. Then we can view the payment summary, which all the payment details are displayed. And if we want, we can search the payment via payment ID. And if we want, we can edit and delete the payment part. So that's it for our BookingBreeze web application for hotel reservation management system. So we basically had the main functionality that should have in a hotel reservation system. So we are from group 2, route 16. Yeah, thank you for listening.